All right, Sailor, are we ready for the 2024 poker run?
I believe so. I think it's about that time.
Wow, take an interview of your bike real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Tell us something about it.
It's a bad boy. Well, you know, got the old 100 here. Great condition.
Yes, sir.
She's ready to go. She's warmed up. Well, not quite, but she's ready to go.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Can't get any better than that right there.
You good? Yeah. What happened?
You're good. You're good. Oh shit.
You're good. Hold it. Just hold it.
Man, you like these banks.
Fuck yeah, I do. Oh.
Just take it back down. Going down with it. All right.
You good? All right, well, he doesn't have to come up this. You just want to go back down?
Well, I could just